We are Track Record.
We are never finished.
Good morning, guys.
Why do you always say that? It's not morning.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be morning when they watch this.
Oh yeah, I guess that's true. I have to get my phone.
Do we have a special treat for you today? We're getting a late start. Again, Track Record at night. We are here in La Cañada, Flint Ridge.
Flint Ridge.
At the base of Angeles Crest Highway. And we are doing our first kind of meet/cruise.
If you follow us on Instagram, you would have seen the post. And
if you're actually in the area and
we
had
have
a good time.
we have no idea how many people, if anybody, is even going to show up. But if not, we're still going to have a good time doing a canyon run and then watching some meteor showers at 10 p.m.
So right now we are headed to get some food because Kevin's starving and I'm a little hungry as well.
We have 1 hour.
We just finished eating our food. We ate some Habit, which was pretty delicious.
Yeah, I don't know if we'll see. We'll see if anybody actually shows up.
I'm not expecting too many people, Kevin.
I'm not either.
I'm also
it's a
prepared
Sunday night.
if we get a couple people.
Yeah.
At least one would be cool. If this thing blows and we get no people, at least we have each other.
That's okay. Yeah, at least we have each other, and we're still gonna make a great experience and video out of it. And we'll do a canyon run. So yeah, I guess now we just wait until people show up. We'll probably leave in like 20 minutes, but get some shots. The Ronin.
Right. In the meantime, check out this sick B-roll.
It was our fault. It was completely,
okay.
You know, it's not anybody's fault. Nothing happened. Nothing's wrong. We were just doing a canyon run, and we were like, hey, if you guys want to show up, come with us. That'd be cool.
So I think we're officially calling it 7:30, and we're gonna head up the highway and get to our spot. I'm ready for a good time.
Let's do it.
His car is so loud. I love it.
That sounds so good. cars go?
It'd be a while when the next turnout comes, it can pull over. But dude, you stop playing. I totally forgot we didn't watch time because I'm going to you sooner.
Oh my gosh, let me just turn around and show you guys this. Wow, that is beautiful. All right, we're gonna stop for
Will I find a spot? About zero giving. Boom!
it works.
Never finished was here.
Just take it over that view. That is an awesome view.
Thank you.